just sharing one of your YouTube videos could get someone to watch 5, 6, 7, 10 more of your other videos automatically. Stick around because that is exactly what I'm about to show you. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Christiana. Welcome, and this video is specifically for content creators on YouTube. So if you have a YouTube channel, if you are planning on starting one, or if you share your YouTube content anywhere online, this one is for you. If you just share videos on YouTube, you're not a creator or you don't plan on becoming one, then you can go ahead and keep sharing your videos the regular way. This strategy does not apply to you. But if you want your content to work harder for you every single time you share it, please stay with me. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 simple tips to turn every single video you share into a binge watching machine, so your viewers automatically keeps watching your other videos. Watch hours stack up faster without doing extra work. And yes, this means you get to reach that 4,000 watch hour milestone so much faster. Here is what most creators do. They finish their YouTube video, they are so proud of it, as they should. Then they go ahead and share the video using the share link on YouTube. And then they copy the link and share it maybe on their Instagram stories or on their email, on their blog posts, inside newsletters, or share it with friends and family. And that's great, but here is the problem. When someone clicks that regular link and finish watching your video, YouTube automatically queues up the next video. And that next video might not even be yours. It could be from a completely different creator, and now you've just handed your viewer to someone else. But when you use the method I'm about to show you, it guarantees that when someone is done watching your video that you've just shared with them, your video automatically plays next. The viewer can also see your other videos lined up on the side, ready to watch, and they probably saw one that already caught their attention that they would like to watch next. Because it is visible and it is right there in their face, that's exactly how binge watching starts. That's also how watch hours grow. Without further ado, let's get into those 3 simple steps to make this happen. Step number 1 is creating a playlist. If you don't already have one, you can create one inside your YouTube studio, and I'm also going to show you exactly how to do that if you don't know how. Here is how you are going to create a playlist. So right now I'm inside the YouTube studio. So you can do this in 2 ways. You can either create your playlist before you've uploaded your video or while you are uploading your YouTube video. So I'm going to show you. So all you have to do is click on create. So you are going to see new playlist. So you can do it this way. Click on new playlist, and then you can add your playlist title, and then you can add your playlist description, and you are going to select the language. You are going to then add the video that you want inside this playlist, and then you are going to create. That is one way to do it. Another way to do it is that you can actually go ahead and upload your video, right? You select your YouTube video. So let me just select one video. So just for example, so I have a video that I've uploaded. Let's say I'm trying to post this video. Then when you scroll down, you are going to see the playlist option. So I already have one playlist already, or I can decide to add new playlist. So if you don't have any playlist, you are just going to select new playlist, and then again you can create new playlist, and again add your title and add description, add the language, and then you can create. So those are the 2 ways that you are going to create your playlist. Step number 2 is add that playlist to your home page. Doing it actually makes a lot of difference, because by also hiding your playlist to your own page, it also allows you to put your video content in categories and in sections, so all your videos are just not blending together. And here's exactly what that looks like. And this is how we're going to do it. We're going to go back to our channel. So right now And then on the channel, you are going to click on customize channel, and then you are going to select the home tab. So after you click on the home tab, you are now going to select add section, and then you're going to scroll down, and then you are going to scroll down and select on single playlist. So this is where you are going to add the playlist that you've created in your home tab. So I already did this one. This one is already on my home page, and this is what it looks like. So this is it right here. So as you can see, I have my playlist showing on my home page. And by doing this, this also creates a beautiful section on your home page, and it groups your videos by topic. So when someone visits your channel, they can immediately see everything that you have to offer, right? Everything is organized and it's even easy to browse through. So as I expand my content topic on this channel, I'll be creating more playlists, because so far I've posted 4 videos on this channel, and all the videos are just about my journey on YouTube, like how I'm starting, what made me start, and the tips that I'm sharing with people. So they all belongs in this playlist. So as you can see, I've named my playlist like new YouTubers, simple, YouTube made simple, learn how to start, improve, and grow. So this is where all my YouTube content is going to sit when I create it. So when I start talking about more different topics, let's say I'm talking about Pinterest, I'm going to create a playlist for that. So anybody that come on my channel that watch a video about Pinterest and they want to learn more about Pinterest, they're going to see all the videos that I have about Pinterest. If I'm creating videos about email marketing, I'm going to create a playlist for that. So if somebody is interested in watching something around that topic, they are going to see all the other content that I have to offer within that topic. So it is really amazing thing to do. This alone makes your channel looks more professional and encourages people to stick around longer as well. And you can also always move your playlist up and down. So if you have a playlist, you can arrange it. You can just click on these 2 lines and you can drag it down and you can drag it back up just to stay organized. And when you go on my profile and you view my channel, you can see that my playlist is right here in my home page, and you can see my videos being grouped all together. And lastly, step number 3, this is where the magic happens. This is what ties everything together. Here's what you are going to do. And now this is the proper way to share your YouTube videos, okay? So we are currently on my home page right now on my channel. And as you can see, this is a playlist that I've created. So you look for your playlist, the video you are trying to share. So let's say I'm trying to share this video, my very first video, with someone. I'm going to look for the playlist where that video relies. I'm going to click play all. I want you to look at the link right above in your browser, and you want to put your cursor right before the and. As you can see here, there's the hand right here. I hope you can see that, the hand sign, and I want you to copy that code right from that point. Click on Ctrl+C. So copy that end, and then I want you to open your Google Sheet or your Notes app. It's easy to do it on your Google Sheets. And then I already started one. So I have the playlist title here, your playlist end code. So I'm gonna put the end code that I just copied, paste it here. And then I'm going to put the name of the content just for me to know when I'm coming back later on to see what content I'm sharing. So I'm gonna now go back on my playlist. This is the content that I want to share, right? So this is the content I want to share. I select that video, right? I can just come here and copy my title just so I know what it is. So I go back on my Google Sheet and I just paste that, so it is there. So now what you are going to do is that you're going to go back to that video. Now you are going to grab your share button, but we are not sharing this code. You're just gonna hit copy, and then you go back to your Google Sheet and then you paste that link there. So this is the link that you were sharing before, but now what we are going to do is that we are going to add this link, our playlist. So copy this one and then paste it right behind. That's all you have to do. Place it behind your regular share link. So that is the end link. You're adding a end link to your regular video link. So now When I want to share my content, that particular video, I don't share the regular one that I copy from the YouTube. You share this one. So this is what you are going to copy, right? If I copy it and I paste it in my browser and I play it, this is what happens. It plays that particular video. As my viewers is watching, they can see something that interests them. Maybe they would want to watch this later on. So you can start collecting the link. So when you are sharing next time, this link is what you want to be sharing, whether you are sharing it in your blog, in your email, in your newsletter, on your social media, anywhere you are sharing the link, you want to be coming and you want to be grabbing this particular link. Because you stay with me this far, I'll even give you a bonus tip. And that tip is that you can even use the end link with other videos that are not even yours. If you have a video that you've just watched that you love and you like to share, you can then also add your own playlist end link behind the video that you want to share that belongs to another creator. So as soon as whoever you share that link with finish watching that content that wasn't even yours, guess whose content is going to play next? Yours. So when you share other contents that you genuinely love, it's also a way for you to add value while also still driving traffic to your own YouTube channel. I know this is a few extra steps compared to just hitting that share button on YouTube, but once you set it up once and have it saved, it takes the same amount of time to share your link. Those extra watch hours, they add up quickly. If this video helped you, let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions, drop it also in the comments below. And if you find this video helpful, share it with your fellow creators who need to know this, because we are all in this together.